Hello my people, welcome back to my estate video. I just want to let you guys know that you are able to earn 4 figures in estate. Even more than that, there are people in estate that are earning 6 figures. You can decide to earn 3 figures. It's entirely up to you, right? The choice is yours. Estate is providing that opportunity, that platform for us to be able to earn on a daily basis. So in that sense, I am going to look at 3 good properties inside this platform that you can benefit from and probably, as I said, begin to earn on a daily basis if you wish to continue with this platform. So I am going to dive right into the back office of estate, and we are going to talk about 3 good real estate here, right? So right now, if you have registered, you have access to this profit calculator, right? So right here, I am going to look at the lake house property. This one, you can earn up to $23 on a monthly basis if you start with only $250. This is one of the new tokenized property that they have added to the list that we currently have in estate. And then there is another one that called Desert Villa. This one, the minimum to get started with this one is $1,000, and we are looking at over $100 every month earning, which is quite moderate and really good and consistent. Now, the third property that I want to look at is another new one that they just added. It is called Villa Mao, right? This one, you can start this one with just $4,950, and we are talking about $634 every single month profit. Every single month you make this as profit, right? Although it is average floating rate, okay, so it's not fixed, but of course this is what you should be expecting when you purchase this property. That being said, you must not start with the minimum. You can go 8,000 or 5,000 here, right? So if you change that to 8,000, you will notice that you are going to be earning 4 figures here on a monthly basis. So the choice is yours, guys. You can start from as little as $10 here, starting with the apartment in Miami. This one, the minimum to get started with this one is $10. But of course, $10 is not going to change your life. Trust me, right? If you want to make a big impact in your financial status in estate, you need to be able to purchase a higher property. Okay, I usually recommend you start with the villa property. This one will give you up to $400 on a monthly basis, right? And it is easy to register, to be honest, right? So the link to do so is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my team. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video from my Rumble channel, please remember to follow me on my Rumble channel. I look forward to seeing you in my team. Remember that estate is consistent. They have been very transparent, and it is very sustainable. So that is the kind of platform you want to get yourself aligned with, right? Don't get involved with any other platform that is giving you this shiny ROI on a daily basis. That is not sustainable, right? Estate is sustainable, and this is where I want you to put your money on. This is where I want you to focus on, right? So if you value this video and you value where you are going to put your money to make more money for you, the link to do so is below this video description. We are only purchasing a fraction of the real estate. You are not purchasing the whole of the real estate. Remember, it's a fraction, and that fraction is what is going to be giving us daily profits if you wish to continue with this platform. So guys, thank you and God bless.